Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Souls. I am so happy you are here today. Learning English is not just about grammar and books. It is also about our daily life. So today, let's go to the kitchen and cook something delicious together. This is Cooking with Me, and I will teach you some very useful English words while we cook. First, let's look at our ingredients. Here, we have some fresh vegetables, some oil, and some basic spices like salt and pepper. In English, we call these the essentials because every kitchen needs them. Now, let's start the preparation. First, I am peeling the vegetables. Peeling means removing the outer skin. Next, I am slicing the onions into thin pieces. And now, I am chopping the tomatoes into small squares. Can you see the difference? Slicing and chopping are two different ways to cut. Okay, let's head to the stove. I am turning on the gas and putting the pan on the heat. Now I will pour a little bit of oil into the pan. Wait for a few seconds until the oil is hot. Now I am adding the onions. I will saute them until they turn golden brown. Saute is a great English word for frying something quickly in a little bit of oil. The smell is amazing. Now I am adding the spices and stirring everything together. Stirring means moving the spoon around so everything mixes well. Now I will cover the pan and let the food simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. This means it will cook slowly and become very tasty. While we wait, you can think about your favorite food in English. Time is up. Let's open the lid. Wow, look at the colors. It looks beautiful. Finally, I will garnish the dish with some fresh green coriander. Garnishing is like decorating the food to make it look perfect. Our meal is ready. It was so simple and easy. I hope you learned some new English words today while cooking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to English Souls for more fun lessons. Thank you for watching, keep practicing your English, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.